Hey guys, it's Bolted Buffalo, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys my bike because, well, if you've seen my last video, well, I still didn't post it, but I will get to that. So, yeah, I guess before I go over my bike, I'll show you guys my helmet. This is a new helmet, Vans of the Wall sticker, and a DGK sticker and toy machine. So yeah. Sorry about that. That was my sister's bike. So first, oh crap, what was this? Oh, Diamond, right? Diamondback. This was Diamondback, right?
Yes.
This was a Diamondback Cobra 20. I can't see because I covered it with stickers. It's a little dirty. I've homemade grips. I may do a tutorial on life hacks, or not life hacks, but like just mountain biking hacks and crap. The front tire, these are just, yeah, it's a Diamondback. This front tire, I swear it is flat. So that needs to be done. I've just pumped it up really a ton, and then went out, pumped it up more. Yeah. You guys may ask what this is for. Just holds my iPod in. So yeah. Here's a decal works sticker right here. Here's Honda Yamaha of Redlands, a Dubia or something, another one of them right here. A really sick decal works here. Another one of the Debra or whatever it is. My back tires, these are, well, it's not flat, but I need to rotate them and probably put this in the front and put that tire in the back. So, my chain is alright, it's not best. Normal pedals. My dark plate chipped really hard. Right here is normally a cover to protect your, what's it called? Like your shifter, I forget what it's called. It covers it, so like if you crash, it won't completely destroy it. So yeah, this bike's practically, well, it is stock, just with grips and like stickers. So yeah, that's Bolted Buffalo signing off. Peace.